Today I'll share with you 4 sources to make money online very easily. They work for absolutely free and anyone can join since they are available worldwide. If you're interested, make sure to keep watching until the end of this video so you can get every instruction right. Just before I start, let me remind you that if you haven't already, to subscribe to my channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you're going to get notified each time I upload brand new strategies just like these ones on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use them and therefore make the most money. Also, if you like this type of content, give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to ask me anything, just leave a comment down below. Without any further ado, let's just start with today's tutorial so I can show you everything. As I said before, I'm going to give you multiple sources, so stay tuned until the end. The very first platform that I'm going to show you today is this one here called DollarClicks, and it's over at DollarClicks.com. I have never shown this website before in my channel, so just stay tuned. So you're going to see that you can earn rewards every time that you go online. You can start for absolutely free by putting your first name over here, last name, username, an email address, repeat the email address. Then you need to put a password, repeat the password, confirm this captcha, agree to a terms and privacy policy, and click on the sign up button. So let's see how it works. You're going to redeem some points for gift cards, and even more, you have even PayPal available as a payment method, but let's see what you need to do. So you can earn rewards by just shopping, completing offers and surveys. You have games that you can play, you can try apps, and you're going to get rewarded in gift cards and also PayPal and other payment methods. They have more than 294,000 of members, and they have paid out more than $3 million, which is pretty crazy. You have a live feed over here of people getting paid in real time, but also you can check out the payment proofs in this section over here. You're going to notice people getting paid through their preferred payment method, a pretty decent amount of money actually. You're going to see person making $30, this one here $46, $83, $170, and so on. So it also depends on you and how much time and effort you are going to put on this to get the desired results. So down here you're going to check out that they offer the best survey rates. You can get paid instantly. You can earn 20% commission for life if you refer new people over here. So they do have a referral program, and also they offer 24/7 friendly support team, which is pretty awesome. You can check out the reviews on Trustpilot by clicking over here. You're going to notice that they have 4.4 stars reviews with 226 reviews, which is pretty awesome. You can check out the comments from users over here. So this was the first platform that I wanted to show you today. It's called DollarClicks. I'm going to proceed to the next one, which is over at HoneyGain.com. With HoneyGain, you can make money in passive income effortlessly by just sharing your internet connection. So it's very easy, and you need to check out the reviews on Trustpilot. You're going to notice that they got almost 7,000 of reviews with 4.5 stars, and you're going to see that this is an easy way to earn in passive income. You can earn without compromising your security. As we saw before, it was a verified company, so they are going to use your internet traffic only by trusted partners, and the app never asks for or gain access to the storage and data of your device. You can know exactly what your net is used for. You can even click on learn more over here, and you can even estimate your earnings. It depends on how much traffic you're going to share, and also how devices you're going to connect, and you have some other factors as your location, the number of IP addresses, and also the network speed. So you can check out that you can make like up to $184 per month, which is a good way actually to just make some extra money in passive income by simply just sharing your internet connection. You don't need to do anything. So these are money in passive income. There are 5 steps to join HoneyGain. You're going to just set it up first. You're going to install it on your Windows, macOS, Android device. You need to have a stable internet connection. Then just run HoneyGain, and are going to share your internet connection by never gaining access to your personal data. Then just let it gather. They are going to use your internet connection to gather some bits of information. They are going to share them to have some companies for web statistics, price comparison, and so on, and you're going to get paid through different payment methods like PayPal, Bitcoin, so even cryptocurrency is available. So it only takes 5 minutes to start earning with HoneyGain. You can come over to here even by using your smartphone device. So let me proceed to the third platform for today, which is called SurveyTime.io. You can get instantly rewarded with $1 for every survey that you complete. So this is of course a platform where you're going to get paid by just completing surveys. You can sign up with your email address over here by just entering it manually, enter the password, and then click on start now by also agreeing to terms of service, and your service will be sent to this email that you're going to put over here, or you can even sign up with your Google or Facebook account. You're going to see the payment methods over here. We have PayPal, Coinbase, Amazon, and also Target gift cards, which is pretty awesome. And let's see how it works. You can sign up for absolutely free. Then you're going to just tell them a bit about yourself, and then you're going to start earning cash by completing surveys, and you're going to just cash out for your $1 reward. So they offer no withdrawal threshold. Once you complete the survey, you're going to get paid instantly. You can never miss a survey. They're going to notify you whenever a new one is ready. You can choose your reward between PayPal, Amazon, Target, and also they offer some surveys that are in your interest. You're going to get paid $1 per survey, and it is available worldwide, so anyone in the world can join. As you can see over here, they do offer an affiliate program, so you can even just check it out and get paid in passive income by promoting SurveyTime, which is pretty awesome. So you can start immediately, and it's a good way to get paid and maximize your results by completing some easy surveys. So I'm going to proceed to the last platform for today, which is also the fourth one. So you're going to see that it's called Screenlift, and it's over at Screenlift.io. This is the first screen that pays you. Let's check out some of the features. So you're going to customize your first screen with their many unique features. Then you just use your phone as usual, and you're going to get paid whenever you open your phone. So you can earn some lifts that you can redeem for real money. As you can see, they pay you in cash through PayPal, and you can even redeem some gift cards. So you have some user testimonials over here that you can check out by yourself, and also you can check out their unique features. I want to mention that in order to get access of Screenlift, you need to go over to Google and you can search for Screenlift, and they're going to give you some results over here. Just click on one of them so you can download it as an APK on your Android device. So unfortunately, this is only available for Android users, but if you are an iOS user, of course, you can take advantage of the other platforms that I gave you today, which is pretty awesome actually, because you can use all of them and maximize your results. So this was it for today's video. I really hope that you liked it. If you did, you can give it a thumbs up, a comment down below. I want you to let me know which one of these platform is your favorite one, and also don't forget to subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, and you can get notified each time I upload brand new strategies just like these ones. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you in another tutorial on how to make money online.